Hey guys, so we're back with another video, and this time it's a cooking one, cooking with us. So right now Aaron is just prepping the seasoning.
Wash this for me kindly. You did wash this?
No, wash off everything.
That wash? No, that did dry.
It washed. So we're just prepping the seasoning, and as from the title you guys can see, we are doing, spicing up like a boring, I guess a boring regular staple food.
Rehydrated food.
Yeah, we're revamping, our classic,
Yeah. And if you know somebody like me with Vicks, tell them make some of them taste bad because them. I want them to go type again.
MSG.
The nice MSG.
And guys, this is the only one I prefer to use. I don't like the other one, Martian or whatever it's spelled. Yeah, this is the one. I'm sorry, baby. Alright, so I'm gonna get the water ready. So we're just spicing up some, we call it some dough, basic food, Get rid of we ain't no basic baddies around here.
Take it out of the pack and just fling in a pot, dash the seasoning, they get pretty them and it tastes good. Fling some spice in there, like nice and good.
Look at my chef go. Look at my chef.
When
Look at here. Look at that cutting. Cut it.
Hey, you know what time I chop my fingernail them? We don't know how I cut off my big finger. My big finger. Like when I learn, every time I cut it, I saw my big finger out there. And the knife just sits so.
Hey!
And cut my
We're not
finger.
eating no blood today, no man. No, but make it a full demonstration.
Bloody ramen.
That's not nice.
Sound like a Halloween dish.
Yeah, it does.
Bloody noodles. Yeah, so if you don't stay like me, you don't like taste seasoning, chop them up, put them boil out in the water, and then have to deal with them later when it's done.
You hear the rain? Oh my gosh, it's actually raining.
Which is a blessing, and no longer rain or fall in the same Catherine. Well, I'm not going to say St. Catherine because I know about the other part of St. Catherine, but Portmore and Spanish Town. No rain don't fall. That must stress me. The good thing is the curfew will lift up. Not the curfew, the lockdown. The lockdown will lift up so we can show out the road. Once 6 o'clock come, you can go do it. Today, Shadi kind of kitchen and whip up some ramen. You move up the garlic and boil out and come in and like garlic. What? There's something with that, what to do. We use the cherry.
This is the veggie cut. Alright, so guys, I'm just gonna get the water for the pot and start.
Yeah, I can't see her, but she deal with the
soup butter. You say more some water. Usually I make it just straight for the noodles, but I don't make it with the water this time.
You want to soup,
yeah.
Because we leave it and not here, it tastes good. When we're done with the recipe, man, nobody no eat ramen without some of them seasoning in that is spicy up. And we'll see how it looks still. I don't know if you chef it up like
There's no water? Bit.
yeah, that's good.
I'm putting on high heat.
Some of this in there. Nobody watch it. Yeah. One of them in every Jamaican kitchen a half used peppers. And it still I go back in there so that this alone me have to use. This I go back in the fridge, use another day. Yeah, and the Jamaican if you have one of that in your fridge. Yeah. So
different angles. So he's just cutting this up, and I'm gonna take it over to the station where I actually put the pots to be boiled. So yeah, I have it on high heat, and then we're gonna add all the seasoning first, as well as the powder seasoning to kind of flavor the water first. Then we're adding I guess the flavor sachet from the packet itself, and then we're adding the noodles afterwards.
see everything
Alright, so we're going to use, we're doing 2, so we double up everything. So we're going to use 2 bouillon cubes, black pepper.
You know how it tastes with the shrimp flavor ramen?
I've never done that.
Yeah. So guys, if you wanna try this and use a shrimp ramen, tell me how it tastes.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll try it next time.
What else are we doing? So yeah, so we have a season, so we just have thyme, and we don't use the entire stock, we just kind of cut off the leaves. So thyme, scallion, sweet pepper, what else is in there? Pepper, garlic, pretty much. A lot of times I use powder as well, but we're just doing fresh seasoning this time, I think. Okay, I guess we're gonna actually add some powder this time. So onion powder. We're gonna add the garlic powder as well.
None of them are not going there, so don't look on them.
I mean, no, nobody come. You know, talk about me. I promote the things them for free.
Oh, but if you don't have none of them, show the people them. If you
yeah, you don't have the bouillon cubes, which is the vegetable ones which we use. Not the chicken, you can use the all-purpose one.
The all-purpose. So this we are using.
So we're gonna get some.
Ooh, you ever try to put some of this in there?
Ginger?
Yeah.
We could try ginger. Like every time we do this, we add something different. So it's not a one set thing. We're just spicing up some boring food. That's it. So I want to bring. So yeah.
So I'm gonna bring this over to the store.
Let us come over here. But wait, we want the water to be kind of brought to a boil. So we're going to come back about for Want to give it a. Let me talk. Let me talk, man. Let me talk. So we're gonna give this about 2 minutes. Yeah, on high heat, and come right back. And I'll bubbling down. So we're adding the things.
So we are putting this.
So we're adding the bouillon cubes first.
I don't want to leave my fridge.
Yeah. Smush it up. Smush it up. Nice explosion. Look at my chef, people. Yes. I'm adding 2 of them. So I just want to be adding everything practically. And everything is just based off of your judgment. If you like something, you add more of it. If you don't, you don't add it at all or add a little.
Black pepper.
Putting it.
Stop?
Yeah, I can stop. Yes, it's everything bubbling.
Don't play with that sneeze business there.
So this time, guys, we're trying something new. We're gonna add ginger and see what it tastes like.
With ginger. Oh, that's this.
Wait, it says with ginger?
Yeah, put nothing there.
Let's try a little bit.
That's another jackal.
Usually I have straight ginger seasoning.
Okay.
Straight ginger for things like this on rice. I'm gonna put it in there.
Put in a rice?
Of course. Yeah, that's enough. I smells it. You see the reaction? And now we are going.
This one is onion powder.
Let me step back a little bit.
Use the knife and put it back. Oh, it makes sense. Yes. Is that enough?
I don't see anything come out.
What blind you blind man?
Well, you be the judge of it.
No, sir.
You know, come out. What a disrespectful onion powder, though.
Can I tell you?
Come shame upon the people on YouTube.
Okay, then.
Alright, good. And the garlic powder, extra flavoring. Extra flavor.
Wait, but we have fresh garlic in this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You don't really have to add that one.
Two of them not taste the same.
Yeah, a little bit saltier.
Like this?
Yeah.
Let me see why you don't put salt in there.
I can't eat. Guys, when you're doing this, you cannot add salt unless you don't want. Yeah, because the bouillon cube alone, even the color season, I don't know how, but they are salty.
They must have put salt. It's gone dirty.
Now the fresh seasoning.
What? Elastic.
You must be mad.
So we are going to hospital. Everything where we cut up a while ago are going there.
Man, something I'm dropping in because I don't intend to eat paper.
If humans are making animals eat it, when that's rubbish in the gully, that is the result.
I'm little longing to eat it. Sorry.
So
Get your spoon, stir it up. The smell and flavor, make anybody jealous. Anybody hungry.
Also, you know, I'm not cooking. You can show some other.
I know, right? It smells good already. I'm not even add the chicken flavor in here too.
Oh, lucky thing I talked to me. If you guys didn't, we're going with all of them.
And then we can kind of turn. We can reduce our stove right here now. So I went from a high heat, go right down to a medium low.
Oh, that's what I'm frightening me.
No, I'm gonna actually go low. Shh, damn it, the pot. Hey, I'm gonna turn off the stove, Jesus.
No, sir, something wrong with you.
Come light it back, please. Pause it.
No, I like that. I'm putting them in.
Oh, God, I'm hungry. It's not done yet.
No.
It's not done. Why it's not done?
Tell the stove where you turn off. Why it's done? Alright, I'm gonna let back the stove up. And,
come put it on the air. Put it on like medium low or low.
Side note, don't tell Shadika to turn down stove.
I know, I always turn it off.
What you want it lower than that?
No, that's perfect. That's the flame I want. Then you can just put in the noodles right after he stirs it.
Look at that stick on it. Bottom and look at the bunion cube back in. Hey, my grandmother said, never bad everything.
You do have to knock the spoon?
Everybody knows when you cook. Like, I stir it so. And like, I see some pan so. So.
Look for the, what do you call this? The broth looks so flavorful already.
It looks like a pumpkin soup to look after. And the pumpkin them just bubble properly.
I usually just put it in whole. You can put it in half, yeah, you can break it in half. But don't break it up too much, I'm not usually like that.
Perfect half.
And other things that you're around here, so that's a spice up. Can't have a bone like.
Oh, yo, hot daddy.
From the crumbs, every little things are going in the mind.
Not on our waist, not on that. If the bag could I eat with that shit in. Ain't that right?
It's your message.
Yeah. Alright, so this now.
All of a sudden the place start getting nice people. Sorry.
Alright, so when you come back, guys, and we'll see how the noodles break down in this nice broth.
Yeah, so we're gonna give it about 3 minutes. But I actually like taking my time and cook it.
Sure, go down back to my partner something. Good.
So give it about 5 minutes.
You give about 5 minutes.
And come back and check. And if you like it hard, you know it's finished. But usually
hard. If they like it hard, you can go in a hot water.
You know what I mean, al dente, barely cooked.
Alright, soon come back.
Soldier boy, I go there for you. Anything you want, I will do for you.
At the 90 Day Fiancé.
90 Day Fiancé.
Free promotion in our video. No sir, look the people. No sir, this. Oh man. Yo,
this is.
So how some people not eat ramen and them something? They look them man.
It's like it's a zoom in man, you can see it good.
No sir, I wish we could have shown them inside of the hot water.
Inside of the hot water?
How I go on in there? No sir, look there. Not too bad. Looks like it's ready, don't it?
Yeah man, this is ready.
Yes, yeah.
Taste it?
Yeah, taste this.
Blue!
Bad too bad.
Yo, I've never added ginger in it. Ginger did the trick.
No, sir. Ginger.
Yo, this, no man, you don't have to try this.
Other than the little piece of pepper, we cut up, not less spicy no going there.
No, we could have put in cayenne pepper, you know.
Black pepper.
Red black pepper, yeah.
But the piece of scotch we're going there, man. I'll tell you boy. People, look there. Look at this. Okay. So we can wrap up everything from the fat. I go. No, I don't wrap up everything. This is enough. Alright, I think it's ready now.
Yeah, babe.
Yo,
This, I feel like we should make more soup now. You want to add some water on top of it?
go on and buy the quality is more hard water.
I wish I had more water though. It's really good. I'm even being extra. He's being extra.
So you guys.
Yeah, we're gonna share this out now.
We're gonna share out this. So I'm glad I see how to make it. So now I'm gonna come out of the kitchen and go make some for myself.
Later, guys.
Yeah, later, guys. Hope you enjoy this video.
Yeah. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Comment.
Yeah, guys, leave us in the comment. Definitely, if you try this, we have our Instagram page. You can tag us on Instagram.
Or in _Shadika. You can find us on Instagram.
I'm gonna try to put the link in the description about this time, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, I have to start with that now.
Yeah.
Yeah. And most importantly, guys, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah,
we are growing family on YouTube now.
Yeah, or I'm going to go make some before me eat it up before we start sharing.
You know, say it to me. It's sharing between the two of us. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy.
Go on now, I can't stop. Bye guys. Subscribe.